Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to make this speedback platform. Hey friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on subscribe button, then click on ring bell button so you can get the latest video notification from my channel. To make this feedback platform, I cut two circles with my router. Each circle is 3/4 inch thick and 24 inch in diameter. I use one plywood and one MDF board because they was sitting in my shop. Then I use a wood glue to put both pieces together. I put a lot of glue, use my paintbrush to spread the glue evenly. I put glue on both pieces so I'm not gonna be mess any spot. Once I put glue, I put both pieces together before I tie the clamp. I just make sure that both pieces are on top of each other like evenly. Then I put a lot of clamps and let it sit for overnight. And next day I took all the clamps and my both pieces, both circle was like perfectly dried and stick together. Now time to make a mount. For mount I'm using a 2x4 some pieces. I ran through my DeWalt planner to make a splint free. It's not necessary, but I just have a planner in my shop, so I try to use it. So once my all pieces are ready, now time to put together. I'm going to make a triangle with this one. So first I mark to make some holes, and I use a 3.5 inch long screws, wood screws, to put all pieces together. After making a 90-degree angle, then the last one I cut 45-degree on both ends, and it will fit perfectly inside. Then I put same 3.5 inch screws like wood screws to put together. I use a 3 screw in each corner. So once this piece is ready, then we have to mount this mount to the speedback round circles. For that one I'm going to use 1/2 inch bolts, and they're like 2.5 inch long. First I made a hole on my mount, then I repeat the same process with my circles. And the only different I have done, the bottom piece where my bag going to be hang, I have to make a countersink, like the 1/2 inch nut can set flat inside. So anytime like I have to work with the with bag, then the bolt not gonna be hit the bag or not gonna damage anything. Once both bolts are passed through, then I use my socket to tight. So now our mount and speed bag platform is already together. I use sand, like 180 grit sandpaper, to sand it once to give a smooth and nice finish. Once I sanded, now the next part is to mount a hook, swivel hook in the middle. And I also want to have some paint or stain on it. For swivel hook I just made a mark so I can make a pre-hole. Once my pre-holes are ready, I sand it again, and then the time to have something like a paint or anything. So now I'm going to use a black stain. You can have a black spray paint on anything, but just the stain I'm not going to use anymore. So I have a sitting in my shop, so I'm going to use this one, so it can be not gonna be dry or not gonna waste it. After apply stain all over the place, I let it dry outside in sun for a couple hours. Then now time to mount a swivel bracket. I use a flat head, 4 wood screws, 1.5 inch long. And the last part we have to mount on the wall. I'm going to mount with this angle. I made it already, so anytime I have to change height, I can make changes, like I can a little bit higher or lower. For this one I'm going to use same like half inch 3-inch long bolts for first to mount my mounting bracket. So I use my stud finder to find stud. I use a 2.5-inch long burst screws. I use my leveler to make sure this piece is straight. So I use 3 burst screws. Then now I'm going to mount my speed bag. The process is mounting speed bag. I believe you need help to do that one, but I done by myself. It took me a couple of minutes to do that one because it's a little heavy, and with the one hand it's not easy to do, but I done so far. Now the last part, we're gonna hang our speed bag and give him some shots, see what happened. I'm not a professional or anything. I never done anything with a speed bag. That's my first experience. So now our speed bag is ready. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy your speed bag. Platfarm.